It takes me 48 hours to make one single bar of chocolate. Here is exactly how I do it.
That sound. That is the sound of 3 days of hard work.
It all starts here in the tropics with the Theobroma cacao tree.
Harvesting requires a gentle hand to protect next year's crop. Inside the tough shell, we find the treasure: beans covered in sweet pulp.
We scoop them out by hand. At this stage, they taste like tropical fruit.
Into wooden boxes they go, covered up to heat up and ferment.
For days, natural chemistry kills the germ and develops the chocolate flavor.
Then, we rely on the sun to dry them slowly, locking in the taste. Once dried to perfection, they are bagged and ready for the journey.
Back in the chocolate lab, we inspect our raw material.
We sort by hand. Only the best beans make it into the roaster.
Now we apply heat. This is the moment the flavor truly wakes up.
Roasting transforms the bean, reducing acidity and developing depth.
When the kitchen smells like brownies, we know they are ready.
We dump them immediately to stop the cooking process.
Rapid cooling keeps the shells brittle for the next step.
A quick test shows the shell separates easily from the nib.
Time to crack them open.
We break the beans, shattering the shells without crushing the nibs. Winnowing uses air to blow away the husk, leaving only the heavy cocoa nibs.
This is the heart of chocolate: pure, roasted cocoa nibs.
We preheat the stone grinder to help the cocoa butter flow.
Into the melanger. The heather stones begin their work.
Friction releases the natural fat, turning solids into liquid liquor.
We add sugar now, the only sweetener needed for dark chocolate.
A touch of extra cocoa butter creates a silkier melt.
Now we wait. The machine will run for 2 to 3 days.
The stones grind particles down to microns, smaller than the tongue can feel.
We scrape the sides so every particle gets refined equally.
Conching uses heat and air to drive off harsh vinegar notes.
We test the texture. It must feel perfectly smooth, not gritty.
Once silky smooth, we pour out the liquid gold.
It smells incredible, but we aren't done yet.
The chocolate is untempered and unstable. We need science.
We pour it onto cool marble to begin the tempering process.
Moving it constantly cools it down and encourages crystal formation. We are aligning the cocoa butter crystals for that perfect snap. back into the warm bowl to reach the perfect working temperature.
A quick test confirms we are in temper. It sets fast and shiny. We fill the molds carefully.
Vibrating the mold releases trapped air bubbles.
A clean scrape ensures the bar has a perfect, flat bottom.
A brief rest in the cool air allows the chocolate to contract. The moment of truth. They should release effortlessly.
Look at that shine. That is the sign of a perfect temper.
From raw bean to finished bar. The snap is loud, and the taste is victory.